Hi, Opativers. Google claims their new AI can watch this and build a fully functional website from it. No gimmicks. It sounds like science fiction. So today, we're putting that claim to the ultimate test with a real project. The goal is simple. We're going to take a basic recipe video from YouTube and have Gemini 2.5 Pro generate an interactive recipe guide website. It needs to pull the ingredients, the steps, and create a user-friendly layout. Let's see if it can handle it. First, we need our source material. I'm looking for a simple, clear video this one for perfect fluffy pancakes looks good. It has a clear list of ingredients and numbered steps. I'm just going to copy the video link. And now for the magic. Over in the Gemini interface, I'll give it the link and this prompt. Veo reads the prompt as it's typed. Analyze the content of this YouTube video. Generate a complete, single-page website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It should be a recipe guide that includes a list of ingredients and the step-by-step instructions. Make the design clean and modern. Okay, the request is in. This is the Gemini 2.5 Pro coding engine in action. It's now watching the video. And here comes the code. Wow. And there it goes. It's writing the HTML structure and the CSS styles right now. This is always the most impressive part to watch. Okay, moment of truth. I'm copying all of this generated code and I'll drop it right into VS Code to see what we got. And here it is. Okay, so it's functional. The title is there, the ingredients are listed, and it pulled all the instructions correctly. But let's be honest, it's pretty ugly. The layout is just basic text. It did the job, but it has zero style. It feels like a computer's first attempt, which I guess is exactly what it is. This is where the real magic happens. This isn't a one-shot tool, it's a conversation. We can refine this. I'm going back and typing, "It's good, but can you add some icon, hover, etc.? So UI is beautiful and user-friendly. And also I can play the video." I'm asking it to think like a designer now. Let's see how its Gemini 2.5 Pro coding handles these specific style requests. It's generating. Now let's copy this new CSS. You paste it. Bam! Look at that! Instant upgrade! Now it looks like a real recipe site. This refinement process is the key. And here is the final product. From a simple YouTube video link and a couple of text prompts, we have a clean, responsive, and genuinely useful recipe website. The layout is modern, the ingredients are a neat checklist, and the steps are easy to follow. So let's take a tour of the final product. We started with just a link to a simple pancake recipe video. Now we have a fully responsive web page. It's got a clean header, an embedded video player right at the top, a checklist for ingredients that's easy to read, and these beautiful cards for each step in the instructions. It even understood to make the layout responsive for mobile. This whole process took less than 5 minutes. So what's the big picture here? If you're a developer, the Gemini 2.5 Pro coding assistant is a game changer for rapid prototyping. You can build a proof of concept in minutes. If you're learning to code, it's like having a senior developer you can ask to build examples for you. And if you're a creator, it means you can bring ideas to life without needing to be a coding expert. This really lowers the barrier for creating things on the web. I've put the link to the full source code from this project in the description, so feel free to grab it and play around with it. And I'm curious, what should I challenge this AI to build next? Drop your ideas in the comments below. And if you're interested in AI, check out my video on getting a 15-month free pass for Gemini Pro, or watch me test its debugging skills. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.